example, if you were not in this particular sector, the real estate sector, तो आप क्या कर रहे होते?
मैं ब्रोकर होता.
Today, the builder with the best content sometimes beats the builder with the best project. So see, I genuinely want to thank both of you guys for being a part of this. I know we've discussed the real estate sector in private a lot many times. So I thought let's do it on camera as well.
Yeah, but it's always a pleasure talking to you. So this gives us another opportunity that we can exchange knowledge sitting here. Real estate की बातें करना तो हम तीनों को ही पसंद है.
I feel you, both of you guys have a very strong real estate background. Vishal bhai, you come from the builder background. You've developed so many projects. You currently are doing so many projects right now as well. And Saksham, on the other hand, is brokering deals on a daily basis, earning money. है ना? And
पैसे यही कमा
पैसे यही कमा रहे हैं, that is true.
हम सारे तो सिर्फ दिखा रहे हैं.
पैसे यही कमा रहे. So I just wanted to ask you guys, like, I think you guys started in this segment quite early, right? Like, how old were you when you entered the real estate sector?
I entered real estate in 2009.
Okay.
Family was doing this business since early 2000s,
Okay.
2003, 2004. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो एक जो टाइम पीरियड था ना, like early 2000s, जितने other businesses थे, all of them, and they were little cash rich, they pivoted to real estate.
Okay.
And now I feel real estate is our major portfolio than the industries.
But I think you were quite young when you entered the segment.
I was 22 years old.
So isn't it very, I'm speaking from my point of view, so wasn't it very difficult for you to, make other people trust? Because I think people have this perception that when they're, meeting someone in the real estate segment, a director or some owner, they need to have that feel that the other person is 52 years old and he needs to...
मैं director नहीं बना ना सीधा, ऐसे नहीं हुआ. So I'll tell you an interesting story इस पर. हुआ क्या, I did my undergrad from England and I worked there for 1 year. I worked as a consultant and then I came to Chandigarh to the business. So I was very used to wearing tie, suit and all of that. तो मैं पहले 3-4 साल तो सिर्फ साइट्स पे, कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स पे था.
हाँ, okay.
तो मैं तो टाई सूट पहन के कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट पे पहुंच जाता था. और पेरेंट्स, मतलब वो एक वहां मैं लेबर के साथ, पिटी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स के साथ टाई सूट पहन के मैं उनके साथ डील कर रहा होता था. सो दैट वाज क्वाइट अ साइट टू सी. बट I think so you have to start from a ground level. Whichever business you start, you have to learn the business first. फैमिली बिजनेसेस में ये मेरे ख्याल से सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है दैट जो शायद सक्सेसर है वो सीधा एक डायरेक्टर पोस्ट पे अगर आ जाता है, तो आई थिंक सो दैट इज चैलेंज व्हिच मोस्ट ऑफ द फैमिली बिजनेसेस शुड ओवरकम, दैट सक्सेसर को धीरे धीरे ही उस पोजीशन पे लाना.
What time he should learn how to take up the credibility.
I feel खुद के लिए भी challenging. It is challenging to become a director directly without going through that process. Plus, I don't think your staff will also take you that seriously. कि day one पे ही आप सीधा director बन के,
you don't know the business,
who is working there for 10 years and you're bossing him around now.
आपको पता ही नहीं है, you don't know the business. And what exposure or experience do you have other than being the son of the director or the managing director? तो हर बिजनेस में आई थिंक सो इट टेक्स टाइम. और एक और बात है, अक्ल थोड़ी सी बिजनेस में मुझे तो 10 साल बाद ही आई थी. बाकियों को पता नहीं, शायद जल्दी ही आ गई हो. 10 साल बाद ही पता चला था कि पैसे कैसे कमाते हैं और क्या चीज कैसे होती है.
हमें 10 साल हुए नहीं, थोड़ी नॉलेज शेयर कर दो.
नहीं, नॉलेज शेयर करने ही बैठे हैं आज, तो वो सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस बताएंगे.
Vishal bhai, I wanted to ask you, like, so as you are developing projects in the Tri-City market, right? So, बहुत ज़्यादा conversation आते हैं, like recently going around, people saying that ki, हाँ यार, the Tri-City market is kind of saturated now. Like, is it true? Is it actually saturated, or is it just a start for the?
नहीं, I'll tell you what is the beauty of Tri-City market. I think so Tri-City ना एक ना parallel real estate industry है, which can be influenced by the overall scenario of real estate. अगर overall scenario high है तो real estate यहाँ पे भी high होगा. But on the lower side I think so it's a parallel industry जहाँ पे शायद उतना इफेक्ट नहीं होगी ये, क्योंकि if there's a slowdown in real estate, there could be a slowdown in Jalandhar, in Ludhiana, in Amritsar, in smaller cities. But Tri-City की क्या ब्यूटी है, चंडीगढ़ का अपना चार्म ही इतना है. चंडीगढ़ attracts investment from all 5 states. चंडीगढ़ being the first planned city, हर किसी को है कि यार चंडीगढ़ घर हो, चंडीगढ़ रहना. The quality of life is in चंडीगढ़. तो जिसके पास भी हिमाचल में, JNK में, पंजाब में, हरियाणा में, कहीं किसी के पास भी चाहे 50 लाख रुपए हो, चाहे करोड़ रुपए हो, वो कोशिश करता है कि मैं चंडीगढ़ के पास एक अपनी पॉकेट के हिसाब से एक घर ले.
But contradictory to this point, do you think कि एक luxury segment कहीं ना कहीं Tri-City में आ रही है? Like, people are, chasing luxury more than they are chasing the actual value nowadays. What do you have to
देखो what has happened post COVID.
Yeah.
पोस्ट कोविड ये सेगमेंट एक्चुअली बना है, एटलीस्ट हमारी सिटी में. पोस्ट कोविड में हर कोई लग्जरी सेगमेंट की तरफ जाने लगा. पोस्ट कोविड सब हर किसी को लगा है कि घर बड़ा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि घर पे बैठना पड़ सकता है.
हाँ.
और
But the term luxury is different for every investor or every buyer. किसी के लिए a flat can be a luxury, किसी के लिए a bungalow is a luxury, and someone wants a bigger bungalow की 4 canals, 6 canals. So luxury segment change होता है. But I feel luxury word is so overhyped in real estate post COVID. Every project, be it in Zirakpur, Mohali, New Chandigarh, everyone's using that luxury का tag कि we are selling luxury apartments. And half of the projects in Zirakpur, you don't even have a fire tender that can cross अगर वहाँ पे आग लग जाए. So how do you term that as luxury? I don't
I think
understand.
clubhouse होना चाहिए. That is the main.
नहीं, क्लब हाउस amenities तो सारी होनी चाहिए आजकल. मतलब मेजर प्रोजेक्ट्स में सारी amenities.
I think एक चीज है. I think what I see nowadays, like, people are chasing these amenities more than they actually they don't see the actual value of the apartment or the property that they're buying. उनको amenities ज़्यादा चाहिए आज के time. Is that true? Like, they want more amenities to be there in the particular project, even if they don't want to use it in their पूरी lifetime में use नहीं करेंगे, but they just want them to be there. They just want कि हाँ हम इस society में रह रहे हैं जहाँ पे ये amenities हैं.
It
Just
is
because.
true to an extent, yes. But I think so. अब जितने एटलीस्ट जो मैं प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, एक प्रीमियम सेगमेंट का प्रोजेक्ट, मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट्स हैव गॉट सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ अमेनिटीज. हमारे प्रोजेक्ट में बीइंग द बिगेस्ट ग्रुप हाउसिंग प्रोजेक्ट इन मोहाली, we've got 3 club houses, तो हमारे पास amenities का scope थोड़ा और ज्यादा है.
Yes, that's true.
But अगर आप basic amenities, as you rightly said, जो लोग majorly use करते हैं, वो most of the projects में है. तो but again, as I said, amenities सिर्फ होना will not sell that project. वो amenity किस तरीके से maintained है, वो पूल में पानी कितना साफ है, वो कॉन्सियर्ज सर्विस कितनी रिस्पॉन्सिव है, वो स्क्वॉश कोर्ट्स कितने साफ हैं, वो पैडल कोर्ट्स कितनी अवेलेबिलिटी है, वो सारी चीजें मैटर करती है.
Don't you think वो that is a concept for a later stage? एक बार तो brochure पे initially तो the developer will add that and sell according to that. उसके बाद तो जो price escalation, for example, Camellias was sold at a certain price point. आज it is at a certain different price point because amenities and जो maintenance and everything is available there. So I feel वो price escalation बाद में end user या investor को benefit करेगा कि how it is being maintained than the developer.
Yes, price escalation as you rightly said, actually ना 2 बार ही आता है. एक एटलीस्ट ग्रुप हाउसिंग के प्रोजेक्ट्स में एक आता है पोजेशन से 6 महीना पहले और एक आता है पोजेशन के 6 महीने बाद.
Okay.
और जो पोजेशन के 6 महीने बाद वाला हाइप जो इंक्रीज आता है ना, वो इंक्रीज आता है ड्यू टू नॉट जस्ट द अमेनिटीज but the kind of people also who are living there. When people want to move in there, कि यार हाँ भाई सक्षम ने लिया हुआ है,
Hmm.
अर्पित ने लिया हुआ है, अब मैंने भी वहीं रहना है. When you call your friends, कहते हैं कि चलो यार हम 4 दोस्त यहीं रह लेते हैं, यहीं ले लेते हैं, if it suits their needs.
So I just from this point of view, Saksham, like you're brokering deals on a daily basis, what do you think कि like एक घर बेचने के लिए या फिर एक commercial space बेचने के लिए a person needs to know all the technical things in general, या what actually perceives कि हाँ जो buyer है वो आपसे घर कब खरीद के जाता है, आप उसको सब कुछ बता दोगे कि हाँ ये शोरूम इतने साइज का है, ये घर मेरा इतने साइज का है, वो फिर भी नहीं लेके जाएगा, आप उससे थोड़ी बहुत फ्रेंडली बातें कर लोगे, बोलो यार ये तो बस खून हो जुगा.
Commercial real estate and residential real estate की buying for a customer is totally different. Commercial, someone is buying to get a yield out of it in the long term. Residential buying is more aspirational right now.
कंसिडर मी माई सेल्फ, आई मेरे पास कोई घर खरीदने आया, मैं उसको सब कुछ बता दिया, घर इतने स्क्वायर फीट का है, ये ऐसे बना हुआ है, इसमें ये चीज़ थी, ये चीज़ थी, वो मेरे से फिर भी नहीं लेके गया. वही सेम चीज़ आपने उसको बताई लेकिन वो आपसे खरीद के चला गया. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि
गाइस मैं बताता हूँ करना क्या चाहिए था. पहले सक्षम उसको दिखाता है 2 हल्की चीजें, फिर सक्षम उसको दिखाता है ये चीज जो उसको पसंद आ जाती है. बताता सब कुछ है सक्षम उसके बारे में. बट एज आई सेड, सक्षम के साथ काम करके बड़ा मजा आता है, बिकॉज बायर में कब आपसे घर लेके जाता है, जब आपके पास मार्केट नॉलेज हो, जब आप जो बात कह रहे हो वो बात सिर्फ एक सेल पर्पस के लिए नहीं कह रहे हो, it's an idea sharing. And people like Saksham, they are your portfolio managers who are managing your real estate portfolio, who are making you invest and how to diversify your risk in real estate. And there are very few people who have got the acumen of his dad, Vivek Kakdiya, who's been in this industry for almost what 30 years now, 35 years now.
25 plus years.
तो अब वहां से सीख के ये तो सीधा डायरेक्टर की चेयर पे बैठा है. नहीं, बट he has himself मतलब captured the market very well.
बट आई थिंक आज के टाइम पे डोंट यू थिंक जो यूजर्स या जो बायर्स हो गए हैं वो एक कहीं ना कहीं उनको साइकोलॉजिकली मैनिपुलेट करना बहुत इजी हो गया बिकॉज ऑफ द सोशल मीडिया. एंड एक्चुअल में अगर लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल इफ पीपल व्हाट पीपल आर डूइंग, लेट्स कंसीडर द मार्केट ऑफ नोएडा, गुड़गांव, आई थिंक सोशल मीडिया पे ट्रेंडिंग में एक प्रोजेक्ट आ जाए वो एक दिन में बिक जाता है. डू यू थिंक दैट सेम कल्चर इज कमिंग टू चंडीगढ़ एज वेल, चंडीगढ़ ट्राई सिटी एरिया एज वेल, लाइक मोहाली, ज़ीरकपुर में सेम कल्चर आ रहा है? बिकॉज I've seen bits and parts of it's happening in the Tri-City area as well. Do you think this is gonna go on a larger scale in the coming future?
See, yes, देखो आजकल प्री लॉन्चेस में खरीदने का बहुत बड़ा रिवाज चला हुआ है, बट जो प्री लॉन्चेस होते हैं दे आर अगेन रिस्कियर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. बट इफ यू लुक एट इट कि जो रेरा में अप्रूव्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स हों वो कितने बिके हैं अभी तक, एटलीस्ट चंडीगढ़ में, which is still a question mark. But I still see if a product की अगर hype अच्छे से बनी हो, if its price point is very acceptable to the market and and not just for the investors, if it's an end user product. तो अब जैसे for example मोहाली में कोई 2 BHK के flats very rare, अब कोई 2 BHK के flats आएंगे फ्यूचर में, तो देयर कुड बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि वो एक दिन में ही वो सारी इन्वेंट्री बिक जाए.
Why so? Why are you saying that?
क्योंकि 2 BHK अब हुआ क्या है, मोहाली इज नॉट अ फर्स्ट टाइम होम बायर्स मार्केट एनीमोर.
Okay.
क्योंकि वो एक्सपेंसिव इतना हो गया प्रोडक्ट. तो फर्स्ट टाइम होम बायर की मार्केट 50 लाख टू 1 करोड़ रुपीस, विच आपको मोहाली में तो मिलेगी ही नहीं. वो आपको मिलेगी खरड़ में या ज़ीरकपुर में,
And Derabasi?
और डेराबस्सी, और आपको शायद और आगे जाना पड़े, डेराबस्सी, लालड़ू, फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम होम बायर्स. तो मोहाली कौन ले रहा है? मोहाली या तो वो ले रहा है जो अपना ज़ीरकपुर खरड़ से अपग्रेड करना चाह रहा है, या समवन हु इज ऑलरेडी गॉट अ पोर्टफोलियो ऑफ मल्टीपल प्रॉपर्टीज इन सम अदर सिटी एंड हु वांट्स टू पिक अप अनदर प्रॉपर्टी इन मोहाली. अब 2 BHK का जो सेगमेंट है ये 2 BHK segment is for a working class. 2 BHK is the segment where 1.5 करोड़ रुपए तक का फ्लैट है. अब मोहाली में प्राइजेस लैंड के इतने बढ़ चुके हैं. देयर इज अ कैप ऑन नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स यू कैन मेक इन अ एकड़. तो 2 BHK का प्रोडक्ट एक डेवलपर के लिए बहुत अट्रैक्टिव प्रोडक्ट नहीं बचता.
I think infrastructure development is happening more towards the outskirt areas now. Like Mohali मेरे हिसाब से congested already हो गया है.
मोहाली में लैंड पार्सल्स नहीं
नहीं
बचे.
है तो इधर
मोहाली इज ऑलमोस्ट थ्रू विद
land parcels. The
Land
main and
parcels.
as well, people are moving towards New Chandigarh. People are moving towards the Khadar area, the Karali Belt area, or people are moving towards the Deravasi area, right? I think that जो एरियाज को हम अगर हम बोले 5 साल पहले हम बोले कि यहाँ पे लैंड वैल्यू इतनी इंक्रीज भी नहीं थी. अगर हम बोले आज के टाइम पे तो ऑलमोस्ट 8 times the प्राइस वैल्यू द लैंड वैल्यू 5 साल पहले. That's the change.
हाँ, तो इंटरेस्टिंगली मैं यही बात आपके इसी पॉइंट पे बताता हूँ. लैंड प्राइस आपने कहा 8 to 10 times हो गई. Products have become very aspirational.
Yeah.
Projects have become par with international projects and projects in any other big city, Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore. Product तो top level बन रहा है. So the cost of construction is also very high for that. But वो price अभी तक
Translate नहीं
end product में transfer नहीं हुआ. तो आज वो price जो भी प्राइजेस अभी मार्केट में हैं, आई स्टिल फील ये यहाँ से डबल भी हो जाएंगे.
You still feel that ये जो प्राइस लेवल पे भी आज हम बैठे
एटलीस्ट
हैं,
ग्रुप
इसमें-
हाउसिंग में ये प्राइस ट्रांसफर नहीं हुआ. बल्कि कई छोटी सिटीज हैं वो डोंट अट्रैक्ट सच बिग इन्वेस्टमेंट्स लाइक देहरादून, लाइक पटना, लाइक जयपुर. वहाँ पे आज भी ग्रुप हाउसिंग में प्राइजेस चंडीगढ़ से ज्यादा है और क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ चंडीगढ़ से आधी है.
Yeah, that is true because Chandigarh as a city, it's close to the hills. Roads, network, सब कुछ इतना अच्छा बना हुआ है. Infrastructure level पे इतना ज़्यादा अच्छी college, अब educational facilities इतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी हैं यहाँ पे. But everything is there in Chandigarh to do. So, but the prices as compared to other cities, आप कह रहे हो कि it has not increased that much and it is yet to increase more.
See, आप हर ऑक्शन में देखो जो गमाडा मिक्स लैंड यूज की साइट्स ऑक्शन कर रही है इन द लास्ट 3 years, ग्रेजुअली वो बढ़ता ही गया है. इट हैज ऑलमोस्ट डबल्ड. बट अगर आप लास्ट 2 years का डाटा देखोगे और फ्लैट प्राइसेस, वो कहाँ डबल हुआ अभी तक.
Like cheese, like I wanted to ask you, do you think that why are younger buyers suddenly so interested in the real estate market? मतलब young buyers पहले real estate में इतना interest नहीं लेते थे. They used to be interested in other sort of trading entities, right? But अब real estate में trading has become the new thing in younger.
See, actually ना traditionally I think so if you talk about it कि जो trading थी या जो younger population है वो they are becoming strategic partners, property consultants, channel partners. They are entering the field because it is a high paying industry. तो जब आप एक अच्छी टिकट की वैल्यू का प्रोडक्ट बेच रहे हो तो आपके पास उसमें incentives are higher. So this is one of the reasons. And again, what happened in real estate was कि पिछले 10 साल में 15 साल में ever since I joined the business, तो मेजरली बिजनेस ना पुराने ब्रोकर्स जो शहरों में बैठे होते थे वो होल्ड करते थे. तो अब पिछले 10-15 सालों में अब तो रियल एस्टेट ऑनलाइन भी बिकना शुरू हो गया, चाहे हमारे शहर में नहीं हुआ.
I think एक आप अच्छी cinematic reel डाल दो, it is gonna get you more engagement than a 10 lakh rupees advertisement in a newspaper, right?
Yes, content marketing
Content marketing is
very
yeah.
important.
I think content marketing ना कहीं people have started investing in aspiration driven homes rather than utility driven homes, right? Because they want that kind of value. उनको दिखता है online कि हाँ ये value देगा मेरे को. Like for example, we are gonna promote lifestyle in particular. They chase that lifestyle, right? उनको चाहिए वो चीज. लोगों ने आज के टाइम पे I think people have started valuing lifestyle over जो मैं चीज बता रहा हूँ आपको.
I think that's happened post COVID.
They want to live that kind of lifestyle ना. उनको वो पैसे बचाने वाला mentality I think is driving away from people's
If
mind.
you see the spending habits also, people have drastically changed post COVID. 2 महीने घर के अंदर बंद रह के सबको समझ आ गया था that you need to spend money on yourself if you're earning money there's no point of saving it and not utilizing it when you don't know कि क्या करना है इसका.
Coming back to the question, younger लोग why are they interested in real estate? So as I said कि वो जो traditional brokers थे ना वो बल्कि market से काफी
Eradicate हो गए.
हाँ तो नए the new people who've come in because they are अब demand क्या है inquiries क्या है and they are being generated online तो एक product का campaign run करके आप as you said कि आप demand generate कर सकते हो you can get the eyeballs on the product तो
Like
and
you also entered the industry quite young, right? Like for example, you're saying a lot of younger people are also moving in the industry. But considering such high volumes, high ticket size hota hai, of course a lot of money is invested, and the deals of course need a lot of trust to be there. Do you think कि जो younger generation hai, like people who just enter the industry without any kind of credibility, are they able to fulfill to your demands? Because you must be meeting a lot of them in the market nowadays.
yes I am meeting so again मैं ना ये डिस्कशन मैंने काफी लोगों के साथ पहले भी करी है कि आजकल ना थोड़ा सा ट्रेंड आई फील व्हाट पीपल रियली लाइक इज नॉट अ स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट गाय पीपल लाइक समवन हु टेल्स द ट्रुथ जो सीधी बात करे तो अगर आप सीधी बात करो और एंड यू टेल कस्टमर को आप पे अगर विश्वास हो कि आप सीधी बात कर रहे हो यू विल स्टिल बी एबल टू सेल yes you might not be able to sell a very high ticket value considering someone's age considering someone's experience uske liye choice of product might differ but if you're giving good service to someone as a young channel partner if your target market could be less than 1 cr a young person buying the house from a young person is not challenging a young person selling a house to a much older person could be a little challenging
Because earlier, I think credibility used to be defined by age, at least in our cities. But I think now that is changing, as you said. People are.
See, I feel for the first time when you meet someone, na, tab you face that challenge because initially when I entered the market, I was 18 and I was shit scared of this. कि I'm dealing with someone who is probably 50 years or older. कि how will he trust me कि मेरे को market के बारे में knowledge है being at 18. But eventually what you learn is आपकी first few 30 seconds के लिए probably he'll judge you.
How did you? I want to understand that. तेरी आपकी
I used to tell that I am 21, 22.
नहीं
When I
तेरी
used to be 18.
पहली deal that you brokered. How did it go? Like what was it about? Like
It was probably this Panchkula में there's still +4. So it was one of those flows. So the transaction was about 2 CR back then. So I think we spent good 4 hours for negotiations on that transaction. Probably my longest meeting till date.
all white right
Yeah.
all white
All right. All right. I feel starting में for the first 30 seconds probably the person will judge you. But eventually it all comes back to the knowledge aspect of it.
But I think that was when you were 18. You brokered that deal.
I entered the market at 18. For the first 2 years, I was just sitting in meetings and listening to my dad, sitting with him, कि बात करनी क्या होती है meeting में. Because you're not aware of that just because I entered real estate after completing my schooling when I was doing my undergrad side by side. So market knowledge ही उस time पे इतनी नहीं होती है. So this is probably when I was 19 or 20.
So I think Highland Group in general has created a very strong recall in the market. Like what is it that you guys are doing differently than others? Like in terms of marketing, general public perceiving Highland Group's value over a long period of time. आप ऐसा क्या कर रहे हैं कि मतलब because I
See,
can
in
see
terms of-
I see you everywhere. I see you everywhere. मैं डेराबस्सी की तरफ जा रहा हूँ तो आपके बोर्ड्स लगे हुए हैं. मैं न्यू चंडीगढ़ की तरफ जा रहा हूँ तो आपके बोर्ड्स लगे हुए हैं. If I'm listening, if I'm रेडियो में सुन रहा हूँ तो they're talking about you. Like what is it that you guys are doing different? Do you think are you guys like you guys are doing proper marketing?
No, I think so. I'm very glad to hear that we are visible.
Yeah.
But मेरे को ऐसा लगता है as a company, probably marketing is our weakest point. We are a product-centric company. But this year, we have been very fortunate for the last 2 years that we were able to crack a deal with Punjab Kings, and we are their real estate partner. And
Okay, tell me one thing. Whether you partnered with Kingsley Punjab, have you met Preeti Zinta? Did you get
no,
to
I
meet her?
haven't met
You did
Preeti
not?
Zinta. No, I have
Okay.
not met Preeti Zinta. And but if you want to meet Preeti Zinta, I
Yeah,
can
I would
definitely
definitely
organize
would
that for
love
you.
to meet her. Yeah, that is true.
And yes.
So the partnering up with Kingsley Punjab, how is it beneficial? Like, do you see in general, like, is Highland more visible to people?
So see, I'll tell you. So with our this project, Highland Mayfields. So we want Highland Mayfields to be the pride of Punjab. It is going to be the biggest group housing project in Mohali. And so, what is Pride of Punjab right now? It's Punjab Kings, the team. So this partnership was very natural to us in that sense. So and you know, you have to position your project with the right partners, and we felt that this was the right move for us.
I think
Fortunately, after the partnership, Kings 11 also started performing better.
that has been happening for the last 2 years, huh?
So मैंने तो ये तो जिस टाइम हमने एग्रीमेंट साइन किया था, I was sitting with the CEO of Punjab Kings and Mr. Satish Menon, and मेनन साहब को मैंने ये कहा था, मैंने कहा हाईलैंड जुड़ गया तो पंजाब किंग्स की किस्मतें चेंज हो जाएंगी.
But I think it has
और
actually, they've been performing quite well in the
yes.
past few seasons.
नहीं, but
We
I think
lost.
so. The entire team, it is a great combination of young players who are super talented, and we have a very dynamic leader, Sarpanch Saab.
Mhm.
तो and I think so. जो सरपंच साहब का उनको टैग मिला है, वो he very well deserves it, and I very well see him as a सरपंच साहब.
I think you guys have, been able to. I think कंपनीज ना पार्टनर अप कर लेती हैं विद ब्रांड कोलैबोरेशंस कर लेती हैं, बट उसमें से वैल्यू निकालना इज समथिंग दैट दे need to learn from Highland, I guess that is there, because कहीं ना कहीं पार्टनरिंग with Kings 11 पंजाब आपने उसका वैल्यू तो जरूर कहीं ना कहीं निकाला
See,
है.
I think so. Our association is a long-term association with Punjab Kings, and we are their only real estate partner. And I think so. They also value the relationship as much as we do.
But I think this is one of its kind of a collaboration, right? किसी और ने कोई, I don't think any other team has a real estate partner in
Some
general.
of the teams have real estate partners. In fact,
GT has, I
Bir-
think,
Birla Estate is there, is
Gujarat.
partners with I think so with RCB also.
RCB they have bought
Okay.
Birla Group, but they're sponsoring Gujarat Titans as
Yes.
real estate partner.
Yes. But I think so. It is important for Punjab team to have local partners rather than national brands. So, see, real estate, primarily speaking, real estate is a very region specific work. There are very few players who are in all the cities. When you talk about, when you used to talk about DLF was still 90% or 95% of DLF's work is concentrated towards Delhi NCR and majorly Gurgaon. So it is very region specific. And being a region specific brand, ourselves, Highland, we go full throttle backing our team, because our focus is Punjab, our emotions are with Punjab. हम पंजाबी हैं, पंजाबी की तरह सोचते हैं, and we love our Punjab team.
जो real estate brand owners हैं, they're actually promoting themselves. They're putting forward their own faces. They want to become the brand face now, and they started acting like influencers, and also they started treating their real estate company like a lifestyle fashion brand. Like they're promoting it as such, like doing multiple collaborations. Now influencers have jumped in the real estate segment. There are influencer collaborations happening on a daily basis. उसके बाद then there are paid promotions happening. And real estate entity को एक तरीके से is changed. But traditionally real estate क्या था कि हमने plot काट दी और उसे बेच दिया, कुछ brokers जुड़े and done. And but up real estate is very different. You need to come up with a proper concept. You need to put concept in the society. You need to have a lot of people you know buying that concept, having faith in that concept. उसके बाद उसको promote करवाना पड़ता है for people to know कि हाँ ऐसा concept हम लेकर आ रहे हैं. And they need to create a certain hype in the market. They need to maintain that hype in the market till you deliver your project. So that is a whole game plan. Like it has changed the real estate industry. Do you think that?
No, so see, with the way I would like to put this is that uh, putting a face to a brand is an amazing idea, because people like to buy a product, uh, not specifically just for the product, because the product is not there, real estate. They want to buy an idea first. And it becomes important for people to resonate with the person who is actually the brain behind the product. So everyone's personality sort of reflects in their product. So देयर कुड बी, अगर हमने फॉर एग्जांपल कोई थोड़ा मिड सेगमेंट का प्रोडक्ट भी किया है, but we have still made it a point that it has to be a product centric company, and we deliver what we say. But as you rightly said, that market is changing, especially in real estate. People are putting their faces up front, but that is not just happening in real estate. That is happening with most of the other brands. Most of my friends who are owners of brands who've made it, I know they have a face. A very dear friend of mine, Saurabh, the owner of Lohari Jeera, his face is there out there with the brand. Another friend of mine, Dhruv Bhasin, who's the owner of Arata, which is a hair care. They are two partners, Dhruvs. Both of them are out there with the brand. So people want to connect. They want to put a face to a brand, not just the product. So that is which has changed over
In
the
the long
last few
term, right?
years.
This has changed, right? Yeah.
Consumer awareness about products has also drastically changed. People want to know more now before buying. So they are well aware market trends में क्या है क्या नहीं है, and when you put a face to it, एक acceptability and reach easy हो जाती है. You feel that that person is accessible to you. कि tomorrow you face a challenge or a problem, you can reach out to that person. That has become very important.
But is it healthy?
See, everyone to its own. I have been speaking at various podcasts as today, but it really depends on your personality also. I personally feel that for me, I want to take a backseat. I do not want to be known everywhere. That is what my personal perception.
Because traditionally, if we used to see like builders usually used to take a back seat, right? They used to run the show behind the curtains. They never used to come out there in the front, like who owns the project. They always used to have someone as the brand face, someone famous, a famous personality or someone like that. And but now I think brand owners they themselves are becoming a brand face. They want to show like what kind of luxurious project they're delivering. They themselves are promoting luxury. I think kahin na kahin people are also relating to that. Don't you think that for example, if I'm a real estate owner, मैं अपना एक luxury lifestyle दिखा रहा हूँ, that I have these luxury expensive cars, I'm wearing.
Again, it has to be true to the one has to be true to the content. It should not be a fake content. So I still feel there's no harm in doing it.
There's no harm into, but
But
that is.
as long as you're true to the content, you're true to what you stand for.
But I think
When you're delivering what you're saying.
yeah, that is true. But I think a lot of people are relating to that content nowadays. I think people in general, people from Punjab, Tri-City area, they're relating to that content.
Because this can drastically backfire because you're putting out your entire lifestyle on social media and then you're not delivering something that you promised. Now your face is attached to that particular product. It's not just the company name. पहले लोगों को director कौन है पता ही नहीं होता था.
Are developers actually over promoting luxury in general, or is it all social media driven? They're trying to justify that their projects are luxurious to the market.
As Saksham said, luxury is different from everyone else. See, for a product, what I feel is putting an Italian flooring does not make it luxury, but it is not just the product which makes it luxury. It is the services around it which makes it luxury. So how well it's kept, how are the concierge services, what is the service behind it, so how well maintained it is. So that's what I feel is luxury.
But I think now, आजकल people want a park, and that to a pet friendly park. They need that to be added to the amenities.
Yeah, but if you look at it, almost every household has got a pet now.
Hmm.
So if मेरे अगर neighborhood में there are 200 houses, almost 150 would have a pet. So that's a need. Then.
Wellness is becoming a new thing. They need wellness centers in the society. They need
Yes.
gyms. They need cafes. They need co-work.
So see, what is luxury? Luxury is, again, I feel, is time is luxury. So I am a robust user of all these products you say, wellness places, gyms, and spas, and all of that. But when I say time is luxury, it takes a lot of time to travel to each one of them. Every day I waste a lot of time doing that. So when it is in the closest vicinity to my house, where I can walk, which is only within the same compound, then that is luxury for me, because I'm saving so much time. So in this, time is
But
luxury.
people have actually started using these amenities nowadays. पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था. Like people used to refrain themselves from using these amenities. Communities बना देती थी, but वो use नहीं
What
होते
I
थे.
feel is infrastructure was also not there. अगर आप ये कहोगे कि people never wanted to use them, जगहें थी भी नहीं.
जगह भी नहीं थी, नॉलेज भी नहीं थी मेरे ख्याल से, बेनिफिट्स और हर चीजों के. एंड फॉर एग्जांपल जो पहले अम्यूनिटीज अंदर होती थी एंड जो सोसाइटी के बाहर होती थी, टाइम डिस्टेंस भी इतना ज्यादा नहीं होता था. पीपल यूज्ड टू प्रेफर कि हम बाहर जाके भी चले जाए. बट नाउ विद द ट्रैफिक एंड एवरीथिंग अराउंड, it takes you good 30 minutes to commute each side अगर आपने कहीं पे भी जाना है तो.
So I'm gonna throw a line. Okay, now we'll discuss on that line. Okay, the first thing is gonna be that today the builder with the best content sometimes beats the builder with the best project.
Yes.
Yes.
Not beats the builder, but in maybe what happens is it could be a very short-lived scenario, but eventually the product will be at the forefront.
You need to know how to sell the product. You might make the best product, but you need to sell it also.
That is true. Second, the richest looking developer online is not always the richest developer in reality.
Very, very true.
Okay, saying it with a lot of conviction, huh? Yeah. Okay, developers are becoming influencers.
To a certain extent.
Yes, to an extent.
A lot of them are
Influencer in their own way.
in their own way. Whatever that they think that is good for their own projects and
Yes.
their identity, right? Earlier builders sold land, now they sell status.
Yes, they do. Because when you're talking about premium housing, the address sells first.
Yeah, I think I would, for example, अगर कोई इंसान would feel much confident saying कि हाँ मैं Highland के project में रहता हूँ, rather than saying कि हाँ मैं किसी society में रहता हूँ. Do you think that is going to be true in the coming time?
It will will be true.
It will
Yes.
be true, right? Because I think Highland has that kind of status that they're giving to people when they're owning their property rather than owning a local किसी developer का property, right? Because the kind of things that come with Highland are much more bigger than anything that the local developer is offering.
See, apart from that, as I said, we are a customer centric company. We are an end user driven project. Why I say so is because of the three strategies which we are taking forward. So as Highland, what we are doing for the end customer is, first of all, we are coming up with the all-inclusive price. There are no extra charges. So there's no hidden cost. So there is clarity कि यार ये घर कितने का है, मुझे तो ये बताओ. ये नहीं होगा इस पे कि इसके ऊपर 25 लाख रुपए क्लब हाउस के लग गए, अब ये कार पार्क के पैसे लग गए, अब ये इस चीज के लग गए, ये IFMS के लग गए. It's an all-inclusive
So this
price.
is given one price point, and that
One
is all
price
inclusive.
point.
Okay.
Clarity. The second thing which the end user needs is delivery assurance. कब दोगे घर? So I am putting a clock at the site to the number of days left in delivery.
Okay, that is there. is it going to come up?
I am putting it. It should be on the project within the next week, as we speak. It has already been ordered. So
This is such a nice idea.
I saw this a few years back in Bombay with
So-
one of the developers there.
But this is such a nice idea. No one has done this thing, at least here in Tri-City area. I've never seen this happening.
So we are giving an all-inclusive price, assurance on delivery, and the third thing is easy payment plan.
The easy payment plan, मुझे समझ नहीं आता. Easy payment plan. How is it easy? Like tell me, give me an example. Now, like easy payment plan कैसे? For example, let's say I'm a normal office going guy earning, let's say 1.5 2 lakh rupees a month. तो मैं प्रॉपर्टी आपके पास खरीदना चाहता हूँ तो how can I purchase it? Like EMI बांध के, like easy payment.
So see what happens is group housing projects में most of the developers take 80 to 85% payment by the completion of the structure.
Okay.
और ज़्यादातर पैसा डेवलपर का उसके बाद लगता है फिनिशिंग में. So structure is almost 30% of the overall development cost. जहाँ पे डेवलपर 85 to 90% तक पेमेंट ले जाता है. तो हमने इसको बाइफरकेट किया. हमने 30% पेमेंट हम बुकिंग टाइम ले रहे हैं, 30% पेमेंट हम लेंगे आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ सुपरस्ट्रक्चर. और जो भी हमारा प्रॉफिट मार्जिन जो भी है, और वो हम या जो भी हमारी लैंड कॉस्ट है वो हम लेंगे एट द टाइम ऑफ पोजीशन.
But I'm particularly more interested about your journey. Like in journey as in ki you've been in the real estate sector for almost 13-14 years now. Like any kind of incidents that you faced, anything that you faced, for example आपने कोई project संभाला, फिर वो आपने कोई land acquire की, वो land में कोई दिक्कत आ गई. For example आपने कोई project start किया, you had some issues with getting it, आपके passing में कोई दिक्कत आया, या you had some issues with the customers in general, like
डेली के इश्यूज हैं. So if I'm talking about I've been in the industry for 16-17 years now.
like, so sorry for, I just want to understand how is Highland as of today, because आप जो बोल रहे हैं 13-14 साल पहले, because that was a real estate developer for a very long time, right? But I have started seeing Highland very aggressively in the past 5-6 years, like very aggressively, because उससे पहले अगर to be true, I was not able to identify कि Highland is something, a different entity on its own, right? But in the past 4-5 years, I started seeing it aggressively all around the Tri-City. People know about it in general. If I ask someone telling them कि हाँ Highland क्या है, they'll be like हाँ Highland, I've seen Highland कहाँ पे है, कौन सा Highland, कौन से वाले की बात कर रहे हो, right? So Highland is a recognized brand now. Whereas 5 साल पहले it was not as recognized as it is today. What have you done differently there? ताकि it should be a learning. People are spending a lot of money in terms of marketing everywhere. They're still not being able to be recognized, right? But what have you done differently here?
See, as I said कि हम ना शायद मार्केटिंग में ना बहुत वीक हो. हम मार्केटिंग में आज भी हम सोचते हैं मार्केटिंग इज आवर वीकेस्ट एस्पेक्ट. So our strongest, what is our strongest aspect? Our strongest aspect is product. And we are a customer centric company. हमारा customer, if he's paid us a booking amount, and it happens quite a lot that if someone has paid us a booking amount, or maybe made a couple of other payments also, and he suffers some financial loss, he suffers a loss, a person loss in his family, and he's not able to make further payments, तो हम उसका एक भी पैसा नहीं काटते. हम उसको 100% उसका रिफंड दे देते हैं. एंड वी हैव सीन दिस इन पास्ट. एक बंदे का, किसी भी बंदे का हार्ड अर्न्ड मनी उसको रिस्पेक्टफुली वापस देने से हमें वो एक कस्टमर नहीं लूज होता, उसके साथ 20 कस्टमर और जुड़ जाते हैं. सो marketing has never been our strongest aspect, but our customer dealing is very fair, and I can proudly say and discuss this on the table that one of our projects we delivered 1300 flats. So this was Highland Park, Zirakpur, and देखो 100% कुछ नहीं होता, but we have a 99% satisfied customer ratio there, and which I feel is very rare in real estate. And the project is handed over to the RWAs, and we are still invited for every function they do, whether it's a Diwali function, whether it's a holy celebration, uh, कोई भी कोई माता की चौकी रखी हुई है.
Because they have that kind of
So
respect for you even after you deliver the project, right? And with that kind of on-hand inventory, it is very difficult to satisfy everyone. Yeah, but you've done that, so that is like a very big.
so that is what I said कि we are a product centric. अगर हमारा तब वो product we started selling that product at 55-60 lakh rupees, जो आज 1.5 करोड़ रुपए से ऊपर का फ्लैट है, और बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग एप्रिसिएशन मिली है उस प्रोडक्ट में इन टर्म्स ऑफ वैल्यू ऑल्सो, and we were able to sell this product within 4 years, and we were able to deliver this product within 4 years. 1300 flats.
300 flats in 4 years.
4 years.
That is a.
So our major, you can say, sales were driven on one fact.
1300 flats is almost, you can say, around 13-14 lakh square feet area.
Yes, more than that. हम हाईलैंड पार्क में क्या करते थे, पहले टावर का स्ट्रक्चर कंप्लीट करते थे, फिर उसकी सेल खोलते थे. तो that created a lot of credibility in the market.
People do trust you, na? Then people they're like, कि हाँ यार, they're not, because आज के time पे if we look at their हर कोई, every other person wants to become a developer, but they don't have that kind of capital or that kind of money. वो पहले pre-book कर लेते हैं किसी land को, then they start collecting money from the market, then they have funds to develop the project. So it is kind of a loophole people are getting stuck in.
Risky proposition for the investors. तो अब as Highland हम we all our lands are self-funded, and once we do that, I think so construction के लिए तो sales की जरूरत पड़ती ही है, but again I think so it is important for investors to see which companies are financially healthy.
But don't you think this kind of vicious cycle is happening a lot here in Tri-City?
It
Because
is.
It is.
बट अभी रिसेंटली गमाडा ने कुछ नॉर्म्स अपने चेंज करे हैं ऑक्शंस के, जो 5-5 साल मिलते थे डेवलपर्स को पेमेंट करने के लिए, नाउ दोज लैंड्स हैव टू बी पेड ऑफ इन 3 months. they're changing it again.
Back to long-term payments.
Sales, Gamada की भी sales hit हो रही है ना.
They're changing it again.
But Haryana has that policy.
Haryana has that
और हरियाणा में डेवलपर्स इतने कहाँ हैं हमारे ट्राई
But,
सिटी में? Do you see them? Like,
see, the thing
But
is,
look at Gurgaon.
हरियाणा में डेवलपर्स ज्यादा नहीं है, बट प्राइस पॉइंट्स पंजाब पंचकुला में बेटर है.
but I think Gurgaon is a different area altogether ना, वो दिल्ली NCR area आ गया. हम the area that we are sitting in is a Tri-City area. Tri-City area में अगर हम देखेंगे हरियाणा के कितने डेवलपर्स हैं?
See, you need to understand.
अच्छा मैं इतने
पंचकुला में there is a restriction also. जितना आपका land bank availability towards मोहाली है, touching चंडीगढ़, पंचकुला में यहाँ पे land availability नहीं है. But if you compare price points, पंचकुला का आज residential is more expensive than मोहाली.
नहीं, ग्रुप हाउसिंग में भी प्राइसेस ज्यादा है
in Panchkula.
इन पंचकुला. ग्रुप हाउसिंग में पंचकुला इज सेलिंग क्लोज टू 14-15,000.
But Panchkula में group housing कहाँ पे, मतलब which area?
सेक्टर 20.
Till 20, हाँ, but बहुत एक बहुत ही restricted area है. You are only doing it in one sector.
जो अवेलेबल लैंड है सेक्टर 20 में, वहां पे द प्राइसेस आर टचिंग 15,000, जहां मोहाली में एक एवरेज प्राइस इज 10,000. तो ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 टाइम्स है पंचकुला में.
Availability नहीं है because उसके बाद then comes Punjab, बिल्कुल border पे 20 sector के.
So Arpit, why Himachal is my question. कि everyone was entering Mohali, Punjab, New Chandigarh, Tri-City belt. Why did you venture into Himachal?
It was never we never wanted to get into real estate. My dad, we were always industrialists. So we have our steel manufacturing unit set up in Himachal, and so basically in 2017 he came across this opportunity कि हाँ we should develop a real estate project in Himachal, and he was quite hesitant initially. He didn't want to do it, but then being pursued by my brother after a point of time he said चलो ठीक है करके देख लेते हैं, let's do it, let's try it out. And that is when we entered the Himachal real estate segment. तो पहले 4 साल तक we did not have a second project. तो after 2021 then we took it up saying कि हाँ यार real estate segment भी अच्छा है, इसमें भी कमाई तो होती है. And it's not because see someone who's doing real estate, it takes a lot of your time. and you need to be fully indulged in that business because of course it involves a lot of money. आपका डील्स बहुत बड़ी होती हैं एंड यू कांट लीव समवन टू टेक अप दैट बिजनेस एंड तो इसलिए आफ्टर 2021 देन वी took it up कि हाँ ठीक है रियल एस्टेट सेगमेंट इज समथिंग दैट वी नीड टू फोकस ऑन एंड सो दैट इज ऑफ कोर्स आवर सेकेंडरी बिजनेस तो वहाँ पे लोकलाइट्स की डिमांड भी बहुत थी एंड ऑफ कोर्स एनआरआईज की डिमांड भी थी people from Delhi NCR area they've taken up at least 60% inventory in Himachal from us
Okay.
and 60
So
to
basically 60% is Delhi NCR,
Delhi NCR people, yeah.
and then 40% is combined locals and NRIs.
And NRIs, locals, and you can say people, some people from Punjab as well. Matlab, other parts of India. 60% people who've taken up flats or villas in our project are people from the Delhi NCR area.
Is the sale seasonal?
सेल सीजनल नहीं आती है ऐसे होता है कि ड्यूरिंग समर सेल्स तेज हो जाती है मतलब यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ क्लाइंट विजिट्स बिकॉज पीपल आर विजिटिंग फ्रॉम दिल्ली एनसीआर एरिया ऑलमोस्ट एवरी वीकेंड राइट बिकॉज छुट्टियां चल रही होती है जून जुलाई इज लाइक द पीक सीजन छुट्टियां चल रही होती हैं
Site
तो
visits
ऑर्गेनिक
वगैरह।
विजिट्स बहुत होती हैं आईवीआर कॉल्स बहुत आती हैं बिकॉज लोग होटल्स बना रहे हैं वहाँ पे द लीज बैक मॉडल वाज रिसेंटली अप्रूव्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट नोटिफिकेशन आया था लीज बैक मॉडल जयपुर में इज अ वेरी बिग हिट if you look at Ananta Spa and Resorts and other brands are there as well वो आराम से आप लेके चलो 100 करोड़ का टर्नओवर सिर्फ हॉस्पिटैलिटी बिजनेस से कर रहे हैं एक साल का एक होटल से बिकॉज डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग्स इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट आई थिंक हिमाचल में आना शुरू हुआ है लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स आर कमिंग इन हिमाचल जस्ट बिकॉज दे वांट टू टैप इनटू द डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग
Because पहले मेरे ख्याल स्मॉल स्केल होटल्स ज्यादा
है ही नहीं कोई इफ यू लुक एट इट कोई 80 कमरों से ऊपर का कोई होटल ही नहीं है पूरे हिमाचल प्रदेश में तो पीपल आर एक्सपैंडिंग देयर अपनी जो फैसिलिटीज हैं कमरे बढ़ा रहे हैं नई बिल्डिंग्स बना
हाँ
रहे
नहीं, the hotels which were there, they've done tremendously well.
Hmm.
Like JW Marriott Mussoorie,
हैं that has done well.
they, I mean, was a very good success.
80 I think 82% occupancy rate रहता है उनका all year round which
It
is
has the highest rooms मेरे ख्याल से
नहीं,
number of
rooms, हाँ, there could be, I think
250
so.
plus है मेरे ख्याल
नहीं नहीं, it's 120 plus होंगे.
well if you were not in this particular sector the real estate sector तो आप क्या कर रहे होते
मैं broker होता, मैं एक channel partner होता, because I think so this is a great industry to be associated with. ये सारे के सारे young listeners के लिए है. I think so what is the beauty is that you get a lot of your me time being involved in this industry, and the sky is the limit. You can be earning anything you want. It might, the first few years might be a struggle, but other than that, if
but
you-
I've seen brokers in Gurgaon doing tremendously well and मेरे साथ जो builders से ज़्यादा पैसा कमा रहे हैं
बिल्डर्स से ज्यादा पैसा कमा रहे हैं some of these firms. So actually जो भी अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर होता है अगर आप उसको एटलीस्ट इन इंडिया उसको ऑर्गेनाइज कर लो तो उसमें देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ मनी टू बी मेड.
Hmm.
तो नाउ द चैनल पार्टनर्स आर वर्किंग एज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड कंपनीज वेयर दे हैव केप्ट मल्टीपल पीपल अंडर.
नहीं but I think पहले ना चैनल पार्टनर सिर्फ एक ही काम होता था they had to broker the deal right वो एक मीडिएटर होते थे but I think अब चैनल पार्टनर्स भी इन्वेस्टर बन गए हैं
That is there. So strong channel partners जिनके पास अपनी खुद की capital है, what they do is, and if they say see value in a project, वो कुछ inventory खुद ही पहले खरीद लेते हैं, which they sell out later.
That's also done because you have your confidence to put your own money there. तभी आपके जो बाकी के investors हैं, they'll move along with you ना कि खुद का अगर पैसा लगा हुआ है, तो they are more certain about the product कि this will grow.
Do you think that the farmers concept is going to be the new big boom in Tri-City? Like people want to enjoy that
What do
open
you
lab.
term as farmhouse first?
The farmhouse is something because see, like for example, right now we're sitting in this beautiful house owned by Vishal Bhai, and I think Vishal Bhai, this is a 1,000 gaj ka ghar, right? And but people now want to own something that is bigger than this, like 4,000 gaj more bigger, and they don't want to completely detach from the city but want to live on the outskirts of the city, like they want to have some green space, they want the surroundings to be surrounded by lush forest, not a lot of commercial things happening around, कोई ज़्यादा शोर शराबा नहीं चाहिए, and they want that accessibility to the city as well.
See, there are two different concepts in Punjab at least. There's one farmhouse, which is a separate individual dwelling unit, and then there is low density country homes. That is a 1 acre residential plot, which जिसमें आप अपने capital gains भी set off कर सकते हो. So even though you might term it, because it is a 4840 square yards measuring plot, you might term it as a farmhouse, but वो technically low density country home है. For example, when you go to London or some other place, central London से बाहर जो आप जाओगे जितने residential है वो low density country homes ही होते हैं वहाँ पे भी. So that similar concept is coming now in this belt, and probably this will outshine all the other products in the market because of the sheer size of land bank that you acquire in this and the type of community that is built around it. अब I don't think पूरे नॉर्थ इंडिया में कोई भी 100 एकड़ प्लस की आज की डेट में कम्युनिटी होगी जहाँ पे सिर्फ एक एक एकड़ के रेजिडेंशियल प्लॉटिंग है, उससे छोटा प्लॉट साइज ही नहीं है.
But I think ये ट्रेंड ऑलरेडी लुधियाना में तो बहुत ज्यादा लोगों ने
See, लुधियाना if you compare, there are 3-4 projects. आपका सनव्यू हो गया, जनपथ हो गया, राजगढ़ हो गया. वहां पे एक ही कॉलोनी के अंदर 500 गज का भी प्लॉट है, 1000 गज का भी है, 1500 गज का भी है, 2000 गज का भी है. वहां पे हर साइज की प्लॉटिंग है. But low density country homes the policy doesn't allow you to go even 1 square yard shorter than 4840. So it gives you a very premium society feel.
सी अगेन ये प्रोडक्ट ना अल्ट्रा रिच के लिए है, और अल्ट्रा रिच के पास पॉकेट्स डीप है. और देखो चंडीगढ़ बाय एंड लार्ज चंडीगढ़ बड़े हाउसेस से डिफाइन किया जाता है. तो ये जो प्रोडक्ट है दिस इज फॉर वेरी फ्यू पीपल कैन अफोर्ड दिस प्रोडक्ट. बट जो लोग उसको अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या है. अब आज की डेट में शहर में ही एक गज की कोठी 500 गज की कोठी, एक कनाल की कोठी 20 से 25 करोड़ रुपए का प्लॉट हो गया. तो फार्म हाउस कंपैरेटिवली प्राइस इज स्टिल नॉट इवन 10% इफ यू लुक एट द एक्चुअली लैंड विच यू आर गेटिंग इन इट. और लोगों को क्या चाहिए? लोगों को चाहिए कि अपनी खुद की सब्जियां उगाएं. आई हैव गॉट अ किचन गार्डन में यहाँ पे मैं काफी सारे हर्ब्स अपने खुद के उगा रहा होता हूँ. आई हैव गॉट 2 डॉग्स, तो डॉग्स के लिए घूमने अच्छी जगह चाहिए. लोगों को अपना एक पर्सनल पूल चाहिए. पीपल हु कैन अफोर्ड इट दे डेफिनेटली वांट इट. तो दिस इज आई थिंक सो फॉर द सुपर रिचेस it is going to be
with someone who want to get that luxury lifestyle still when he can afford it. Because I think in the coming time अगर हम बोलें कि अगर हम पीछे 10 साल पीछे चले जाते हैं तो affording a 2 canal house was still feasible. लेकिन अगर अब हम देखें 2 कनाल, like you said, एक कनाल ही 20 से 25 करोड़ रुपए का हो गया है. 2 कनाल will be of course surpassing what 40 CR. तो अगर 1 एकड़ का आपको घर मिल रहा है spending what 12 to 13 crore rupees on the plot, and after that 4-5 CR over and above making a very good luxury mansion, then you're sorted in 18 CR, right?
See, आज you need to compare. Chandigarh is trading above 5 lakh rupees a square yard. कोई भी आपको अगर 4 कनाल का हाउस चाहिए, एक तो you have a very limited inventory in Chandigarh. There are not too many plots that are available on sale. So those transactions have gone above 100 CR. Everyone's pocket doesn't allow you to take out 100 CR out of your business and then invest another 20-25 CR on the construction of it. Making a 125 CR requires a huge chunk of amount. So going a little outside, 10 minutes outside the city, जो city अभी develop हो रही है, in the long run जो आपको returns मिलेगी will be phenomenal.
But I also see some farmhouses being built एक घंटा दूर from the city. Do you think that is something that वो कहीं ना कहीं relate कर पाता है?
See, as you said कि अगर तो है वो फार्म हाउस, then फार्म हाउस इज अ वीकेंड होम. वो वीकेंड होम 1 घंटा दूर हो डज नॉट मैटर. तो कि फ्राइडे को चले गए हम, संडे या मंडे मॉर्निंग सुबह आ गए. बट अगर आप उसको फार्म हाउस को इफ यू वांट टू लिव देयर एवरी डे, देन इट्स नॉट feasible to be 1 hour away. तो मतलब
You need to be closer to the city.
The one that are being built. So what are you terming? मतलब जो ये क्या है, ये these are basically luxury homes only, or these
Weekend
are
home.
Policy में एक policy में there can be multiple products to the kitty depending upon location क्या है product की. कोई एक location हो सकती है जो same policy के अंडर fall कर रहा हो, जो city से 10 मिनट दूर है. So probably for that is your first home location. हो सकता है कोई same policy के अंडर fall कर रहा हो, वो 45 minutes दूर है. But purpose of that product will be totally different.
true.
तो उससे चेंज होता जाता.
आप लेना चाहते हो फार्म हाउस?
मैं आप आपका फार्म हाउस मेरा फार्म हाउस ही है, बस आई एम प्रीटी श्योर यू मस्ट बी ओनिंग वन, तो मेरे पास है एक फार्म हाउस.
मेरे पास तो कोई फार्म हाउस है नहीं, अभी तक मैंने तो बनाया नहीं. आप लेना चाहते हो?
मैं लेना जरूर चाहता हूँ फार्म हाउस.
है
आई
ना?
वुड लाइक टू हैव अ फार्म हाउस.
तो देखो, अगर आप लेना चाहते हो तो डिमांड में रहेगा फिर.
Okay, I want to own a farm house. See, I would definitely like to have a farm house. At least not very far from the city. 1 घंटा दूर नहीं मैं चाहूंगा. But हाँ, maximum 20 मिनट 25 मिनट दूर अगर हो तो I would definitely get a farm house. कि हाँ, अच्छी जगह जहाँ पे I can.
आप शादी से पहले लेना चाहते हो, शादी के बाद? देखो, शादी से पहले become a bachelor
Paradise.
bachelor pad, otherwise
I
I
think
think so
till
it's become
the
a
time he
family
gets
pad.
a farm house और construction करता तब तक हो जाएगी शादी इसकी.
Probably. Let's see. I'm gonna hit up Saksham now. कहते हैं asking him कि मेरे को farm house दिला यार कोई. You know what? This is very funny incident. I'll tell you. This guy is always about work. I was at a wedding with this guy. ठीक है. मैं नहीं किसी function पे मैं था, and we were actually using the washroom. ठीक है. And he was telling someone about some farm house के बारे में discussion कर
While
रहे थे.
using the washroom.
While using the washroom, he was discussing it with someone. ठीक है.
While taking a leak.
While taking a leak, yeah. एंड ये उसको बंदा ऐसे पूछ रहा था कि क्या बना फार्म हाउस का, क्या रेट हो गया है, एंड ये उसको एक्सप्लेन कर रहा था. आई थिंक ही वाज वन ऑफ हिज इन्वेस्टर्स और समथिंग. ठीक है. एंड शायद मैं बैठ रहा था. ठीक है. आई वाज अ लिटिल ड्रंक. मेरे का मैं भी मजे ले लेता थोड़े सक्षम के. मेरा सक्षम यार फार्म हाउस तो सभी को दिलाई जा रहा है, तू भाई को तो पैसे बनवा के देता नहीं है, क्या फायदा तेरा दोस्त होने का. देन यू नो व्हाट ही डिड. He said अभी कर तू बयाना. तो किस चीज का बयाना भाई? कहता अभी कर तू फार्म हाउस का बयाना, अभी कर. मतलब ब्रो आई डोंट हैव एनी कैश ऑन मी. कहता बयाना होता है, तू 20 रुपए दे मेरे को, बयाना हो गया बस मेरा. डूड ही टुक एक उसने मेरा वॉलेट निकाला, 100 रुपए का नोट निकाल के अपनी जेब में डाल लिया. कहता बयाना हो गया बस हमारा. मैंने कहा भाई तू छोड़ दे यार, जस्ट यू नीड टू let it go, you're drunk.
उसके बाद आया नहीं कभी भी चेक.
हाँ, उसके बाद ड्यू चल रहा है, उसने मेरे नाम पे खड़े कर रखे हैं पैसे. बट या so I just written a few things guys. कहते हैं I just gonna ask you guys, ठीक है, one by one. What's the stupidest thing that you guys spent money on?
Once what I did, I met someone on a flight,
Okay.
and I was traveling economy at that time. This is a few years back, and that person was on a business class.
Okay.
और मेरी कोई business deal चल रही थी उसके साथ उन दिनों में. तो I actually met him in the lounge. मेरे पास lounge access था because of the credit card I had. So I met him at lounge and he presumed कि मैं business class ही travel कर रहा हूँ. तो मैंने खड़े पाँव उसको मैंने economy से business में अपग्रेड किया.
Okay.
और वो सारी फ्लाइट वो सोता है या मैं भी सोता है. मतलब कॉन्वर्सेशन कोई हुई नहीं. तो it was quite stupid.
No, I thought you were gonna say that the dangerously expensive watch that you're wearing, that is.
नहीं, this was a gift.
This is a gift. Okay.
आपने कब कैसे किया ये?
Me spending like the stupidest thing that I've spent money on. I think मेरे से ना प्लान नहीं होती चीजें. मैं बहुत घटिया प्लानर हूँ, मैं सच बताऊँ. Like I plan things and फिर ना the way I want them to turn out ना वो turn out नहीं होती वैसे. तो multiple times I've planned trips या मैंने पैसे खर्च किए हैं. Like I've booked hotels, I've booked flights and I've booked
Not been
cars
on
there and फिर मैं जाता ही नहीं हूँ. या फिर end moment पे मैं जा नहीं पाता. There's something that comes up. या फिर I choose a very bad timing कि वो कहीं ना कहीं cancel हो जाती है trip. It has happened to me multiple times. So अब I am not a very good planner. I've admitted that. So that is like the stupidest.
That's why I'm planning his next trip.
अब मैं दूसरों को बोलता हूँ यार you guys spend the money, I'll just transfer it to you. कहते हैं मेरा तुम plan करके दे दो. Just tell me when to go, where to go. The second thing, okay, that money, yeah, when you were young, तो कहीं ना कहीं तो foundations होती हैं for us every month. कहते हैं हमारे parents बोलते हैं नहीं यार पैसों को लेके तो थोड़ा बच्चा संभल के चलना चाहिए. Even though I'm pretty sure you must be having a lot of money on you when you were young as well. But still, जब आप थोड़े बड़े हुए and you started, you know, आपको थोड़ा exposure मिला, आपके हाथ में थोड़ा पैसा आने लगा. So did money change your personality in any way?
Money changed my personality. पता है मेरे ख्याल से I've never given a lot of importance to money क्योंकि हमेशा से available रही है. जब मैं बचपन से फर्स्ट मर्सिडीज खरीदी थी तब घर वालों ने मेरे लिए ही खरीदी थी. एंड आई स्टार्टेड अर्निंग मनी व्हेन आई वाज वेरी यंग. मैं जब 7th क्लास 8th क्लास में था. I've been earning money since then.
नहीं, but for example something that you were not able to like do before and afterwards, and you were able to, you're like,
नहीं, मैं बल्कि इनफैक्ट व्हाट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग इज कि जब से मैं काम पे पढ़ा, काम पे पढ़ने के बाद तो मैं पैसे ही नहीं खर्च
है ना, that is
Yeah.
मैं उससे पहले तो मैं आई वुड स्टिल बाय सुपरफिशियल थिंग्स, बट नाउ आई ऑलवेज लुक फॉर वैल्यू फॉर मनी.
that happens because you started realizing the value of money ना, कितना मुश्किल है
अपने
कमाना.
पैसे खुद नहीं खर्चे जाते ना.
True. Okay, so what's one thing success gave you that you didn't expect?
See, the terms again, success is very broadly.
For example, let's say I'll define it for you. For example, let's say कि you started a project on your own and it all went very well because of your hard work, your determination, and आपका वो succeed हो गया. तो वही चीज मैं समझ रहा. What's one thing that success gave you that you didn't expect? किसी ने आपको ऐसा आके एकदम से पहचाना, विशाल भाई वही हो हाईलैंड वाले, something like that. What something कुछ तो होगा.
It has got nothing to do with success. मेरे ख्याल से in a family business, you are always looking for validation from your parents. और एक फैमिली बिजनेस में तुमने जितना मर्जी अच्छा काम किया हो, जितने मर्जी पैसे कमाए हो, कभी पैट ऑन द बैक मिलेगा ही नहीं. पैट ऑन द बैक हमेशा they'll always be standing with a stick कि यहाँ पैसे गवाए हैं. You know? So that is something which is always there. I was a cricketer when I was young. So I was a professional cricketer. तो मैं हरियाणा से भी खेला हुआ हूँ, अंडर 19 इंडियाज भी खेला हूँ, रणजी ट्रॉफी भी खेला हूँ. तो मैं I was in Australia once for my younger brother's enrollment at the university. It was first day in Australia. तो मेरे पास we were looking for a taxi and I saw this Indian guy standing at the corner. I went up to him and I asked him that if he could give me the taxi number. And this is a few years back. And after giving me the number, he asked me, "Are you from Chandigarh?" I was like, "Yeah." "You used to live in Panchkula?" I was like, "Yeah." "You used to live in Sector 7, Panchkula?" It's like, "Yeah." "Is your name Vishal?" It's like, "Yeah." And the world is so small. I used to have a cricket net at my Sector 7 house. And he used to come and bowl there. I was a batsman, I used to bat. तो वहाँ पे बहुत सारा ना ढेर balls का रखा होता था. And people used to come and bowl. तो कोई भी randomly आके ball कर सकता था. तो batting नहीं करता था.
So the world is so small.
The world is so small. I met him there after. Well, I must have met him after 15, 20 years. And crazy.
You would have been, आप एक दिन तो आप वो हो गए होगे यार, कहते कहाँ से, like where did you do?
हाँ नहीं, of course.
Okay, so okay, this is basically about money and lifestyle. What's one thing that money and lifestyle took away from you?
I think so. I've become an overthinker. So it might have taken away my peace of mind to an extent. But I work on it every day. And I try to keep a balance.
What about you, Saksha?
Probably innocence. You become too worldly wise once you start working.
Mhm.
Childish behavior you have, or
You still have it, yeah. Okay.
So, you tend to become an overthinker over a period of time.
That is true, yeah. But आपको ये लगता है कि people perceive you, people invest in you because of who you are, who they perceive you as, right? So आपको कहीं ना कहीं वो back of the mind रहता है कि नहीं, I need to play that part, I need to look that part. So you never let go of your that एक anxiety रहती है आपके मन में. That is true, that is there.
Arpit, what about you?
Okay, me, what has it taken away from me?
Yeah.
I think I कहीं ना कहीं again like what Vishal bhai said, peace of mind only.
No, you guys are too young.
I've been working for the past 6 years now. 6
6
साल
years.
हो गया, 20 साल की उम्र से मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. नहीं अब 6 साल ऐसा निकले हैं आई थिंक मेरे को लगता है कि मैं कल ही कॉलेज से पास आउट हुआ था 6 साल कैसे गायब हुए अब
There's no way.
नहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं कॉलेज में पास आउट हुआ यू टॉकिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ
तो नहीं ऐसे ही लग बिकॉज सी मेरे को ये था कि मैं अभी पास आउट हुआ आई नीड टू लर्न हाउ टू आई नीड टू लर्न द बिजनेस आई नीड टू एक्सेल एट इट हर चीज समझ आनी चाहिए आई डोंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ माय टाइम बिकॉज माय ब्रदर इज क्वाइट मेरे और मेरे भाई में बहुत गैप है लाइक ही इज 11 इयर्स एल्डर टू मी राइट तो ये होता है कि कहीं ना कहीं यार आई नीड टू स्टार्ट लर्निंग द बिजनेस एज वेल नीड टू स्टार्ट प्लेइंग द पार्ट इन द फैमिली तो वो 6 साल में आई थिंक आई हैवंट इवन टेकन अ ट्रिप इन दिस पास्ट 6 इयर्स
अच्छा
हाँ मैं
नहीं yo I think so this is a mistake you're doing I travel I still being as busy as I am I travel I mean if not more I travel once in every 3 months and it's an international
I'm
holiday.
changing that now I'm changing
I
that
am almost traveling every other month I am at least doing 4 to 5 international holidays in a year
I'm changing that now but पहले मतलब पिछले 5 साल में तो I think I was quite fixated on learning how to work how to handle the pressure yeah and you know all the things but हाँ पिछले 1 साल से now that I've learned those things अब मेरे को लग रहा है कि कहीं ना कहीं I'll start following.
go backpacking Europe
Yeah, we am
Go
taking
there
him
for a
to. We
year.
am taking him to Bali next one.
I'm a little not very sure about the how the trip is going to go because it is Saksham but still yeah I'm going but yeah okay what's your most expensive मतलब आपने आज सबसे ज्यादा महंगी चीज अपने लिए क्या खरीदी है
मैंने देखो मेरे को ना वैसे कोई शौक नहीं है कोई कपड़ों का शौक है मुझे कार्स का वॉचेस का नहीं शौक मुझे ट्रैवल का शौक है बट आई थिंक सो द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव थिंग आई बॉट फॉर माई सेल्फ इज अ कार जो मेरे दोस्तों ने ही मुझे पुश कर करके दिलाई है
which one was
वो
it
ये द पोर्शे कायन जीटी
so you have two Porsche kind of what's the क्या मतलब दो क्यों है आप
एक पापा की है एक
अच्छा you guys like the car so much and you're like नहीं मैं भी अपने लिए लग लेता हूँ
बट सारी स्पेसिफिकेशंस मेरे दोस्तों ने चूज करी है
okay
मुझे बिठा के ऑफ कोर्स तो उन्होंने अपने शौक पूरे करे हैं
so you like the car
नहीं आई लाइक इट यस
Because for everyone, the most expensive thing purchased, which is a liability, would be a car only.
हाँ मेरे को होता है बट ठीक है यार एक तो शौक होता है वो तो पूरा करना चाहिए आई गेस इन
हाँ।
लाइफ राइट in your case watches is also a thing
नहीं इट्स नॉट
okay so it was a gift it was a gift from bhabhi
नहीं दिस वाज अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम अ फ्रेंड आई हेल्प्ड हिम आउट विद समथिंग व्हिच यू
Saksham take notes even half of the value would do for me dude मैं बता रहा हूँ like what was your most expensive buy
वही तो मैंने बोला, most of it is for everyone would be a liability, a car only.
car guys
अब वो पर्सनल यूज के लिए तो
हाँ,
कार ही हुई ना
car।
अदरवाइज
सबसे expensive liability तो वही होगी, unless and until you're Arpit.
no I like shoes यार I like shoes in general मेरे को shoes पहनना पसंद है and अब मैं छिपा के लेकर आता हूँ घर पे जूते like earlier I used to you know अगर I used to purchase shoes ठीक है मैं मंगवाता था तो मैं घर पर डिलीवर करवा लेता था अब मैं ऑफिस में डिलीवर करवाता हूँ एंड अगर वो घर पे डिलीवर करना है तो मैं सेंड माय ड्राइवर टू पिक देम अप फिर मैं ऑफिस लेकर आता हूँ मैं अपने साथ छिप के लेके जाता हूँ घर पे बिकॉज
I can also have a separate room for my shoes. I would also have more than 100 pairs.
बट यू तो शेयर मतलब हाउ इज इट फॉर यू मतलब यू मस्ट बी शेयरिंग योर वार्डरोब विद भाभी ना तो मतलब व्हाट अबाउट
नहीं
आपका कुछ होता है लाइक कि नहीं यार दिस वार्डरोब स्पेस बिलोंग्स टू मी यू शुड नॉट कीप योर क्लोथ्स देयर
नहीं, I think so. The maximum wardrobe space is with me. She doesn't spend money at all.
उल्टा होता है वैसे
हाँ, so I like to buy a lot of clothes. And then she was using wardrobe in the other room also, which I captured entirely again. तो मेरे पास कम से कम 80-90% wardrobe space मेरे पास है.
Lucky man.
Lucky man you still not अभी तो तेरी शादी हो
And
नहीं है सच्चा में
My wardrobes are getting changed before that only.
And my walk-in wardrobe is bigger than my room, and still.
हाँ it is he's telling me that your bedroom is smaller as compared to your dressing room
Yeah.
crazy and also that is less for you
That is 80% used by me.
used by me and still less than you wow भाभी बहुत अच्छे इंसान है
अच्छा.
she's letting you use all that space she's a very nice person so I'd really like to thank both of you for taking out the time today and lastly one thing ki I wanted to ask you Vishal bhai ki like what's advice would you give to your younger self, or people like me and Saksham who are just starting out in the segment and trying to achieve that big dream?
See, I think so. A lot of learning comes from traveling. So one thing which I really think both of you should do is you should travel and travel very diversely. So travel to diverse countries, look for learn about different cultures, learn about different foods, different societies, and I think so. I travel a lot. I mean earlier also I used to travel a lot, but still one thing I would tell my younger self would be to travel even more and spend all your money into traveling. Don't go after expensive shoes.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna keep a note of that.
But spend all your money in travel.
Okay.
That is the only advice I would give to you. And otherwise, the world will teach you everything else. But you need to see the world.
Yeah, I need the exposure, I guess.
Yeah, you need to see the world.
Done. Okay.